Found a PSN file in your Photoshop preferences and curious what it does? This session file restores your editing environment between launches. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Adobe Photoshop session files work. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized PSN file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. A .psn file is a session file created by Adobe Photoshop to save the state of a user's workspace. It stores information about currently open documents, their window positions, and panel arrangements. Users typically encounter this file as part of Photoshop's auto-recovery or session management features, not for direct editing. The .psn file is a proprietary binary format designed for rapid writing and reading by Photoshop. Its structure is optimized to quickly capture the application's state, allowing for seamless session restoration. A binary format prevents easy user modification, ensuring the integrity of the workspace data upon relaunching the application. The reliable first choice for the PSN file type is Adobe Photoshop, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows offers only surface-level viewing, so proper interpretation requires external tools or manuals. Initiate the process by right-clicking the PSN file and choosing Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If the PSN file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since this PSN format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, letting Photoshop manage. Adobe Photoshop automatically reads and writes PSN files during application launch and exit operations. No manual intervention is required for normal operation. The application recreates default PSN files if missing or corrupted on next startup, ensuring continuous workspace functionality across sessions. Next, resetting Photoshop. Delete the PSN file while Photoshop is closed to reset workspace preferences to defaults. This troubleshooting step resolves issues caused by corrupted session data, such as missing panels, misaligned interfaces, or persistent error states. Photoshop generates fresh PSN files on next launch with default workspace configurations. Finally, backing up sessions. Copy PSN files from the Photoshop Preferences folder to backup storage before major updates or system migrations. Restore by replacing current files when Photoshop is closed, preserving your customized workspace setup. Custom workspaces saved through Window, then Workspace provide more reliable backup options. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.